Hello students, today we will discuss about the topic percentage. Percentage is a way of comparing the quantities. Percentage means per 100. Percentage are numerators of fraction with denominator 100. Percentage means per 100 and percentage are numerators of fraction with denominator 100. It is denoted by this symbol, and 1% means 1 out of 100. Similarly, 82% marks means 82 marks out of 100. Percentage are numerators of fraction with denominator 100. Since 82% is equal to 82 divided by 100. So, percentage are numerators of fraction with denominator 100, since it is a fraction and it is a proper fraction. Now, fractions can be converted into percentage and vice versa. Fractions can be converted into percentage and vice versa. We write 1 by 3 as percentage. Here 1 by 3 is a fraction and it is a proper fraction since the numerator is less than the denominator. We write 1 by 3 as a fraction. As a percentage. One by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into 100 divided by 100. Okay. If we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same quantity, the ratio will be the same. So, the ratio are same. Therefore, it is equal to 100 by 3 percentage. Since for this denominator 100, we write this percentage, that is equal to 33 whole 1 by 3 percentage. Okay, 33 wholes are 1 by 3 percentage. Similarly, percentage can be converted into fraction. Okay, percentage can be converted into fraction. Here 75% is equal to 75 out of 100, that is equal to 75 divided by 100. Now we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 25 and we get 3 by 4. And this is a fraction and it is a proper fraction. So, percentage can also be converted into a fraction. Okay. Now, we do the exercise 8.2. Exercise 8.2. Convert the given fractional number. Convert the exercise 8.2. Given fractional number to percents. Question number 1b, 5 by 4, that is equal to 5 by 4 into 100 by 100. If we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same quantity, the ratio will be the same. Therefore, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 100. This is equal to 75, 125 divided by 100, that is equal to 125 percentage. Okay. Since the denominator is 100, percentage are numerators of fraction with denominator 100. Therefore, 5 by 4 is equal to 125 percentage. Okay. The next question is three by 40. To convert it into percentage, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 100 and we get 1 by 100. Therefore, this is equal to 15 by 15 by 2 percentage. Okay. And the next is convert 5 by 4 the next question is 2 by 7. By 7 is equal to 2 by 7 into 100 by 100. To convert it into percentage, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 100. Therefore, this is equal to 200 by 7 percentage. Okay. Therefore, 2 by 7 is equal to 200 by 7 percentage. Now, the next question is, out of 25 children in a class, out of 25 children class, 15 are girls. What is the percentage of girls? what is the percentage of girls? Here, out of 25 children, there are 15 girls. Therefore, out of 1 children, there are 15 divided by 25 girls. Therefore, out of 100 children, there are 15 by 25 into 100 children. Therefore, in the class 60% girls. There are 60% girls in the class. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss the remaining portions of the chapter. Thank you.